my respected judges, and my dear friends. My name is Sunidhi and this is my mom Usha. Today we are going to make a healthy snack called cucumber chat. Come, let's see the ingredients. 3 cucumbers, 1 carrot, tomato, onion, half lemon, coriander leaves, sprouts, peanuts. Then we have half teaspoon of salt, a pinch of chili powder, chaat masala, cumin powder. Now let's wash and cut it like this. Then let's cut and peel the cucumber like this and remove the seeds like this. My mother helped me to do all of this. Now let's take a bowl and mix all of this. There are carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. This is good for health. Now let's mix all of it.
It is very healthy. Even kids can have it.
Now let's take the cucumber and fill with the mixture.
Let's add some lemon to this.
It's smelling good.
Yes, it is.
Wow!
Let's garnish with some coriander. Healthy chat is ready.
Let's taste it, Mom.
Yes. It's really nice. You can also try it at home. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.